Put condensed milk in a pressure cooker and you won't need to buy it anymore. Let's start by using some aluminum foil. Open it and add a 395 G can of condensed milk on top. You can use any brand of condensed milk you prefer. Now, let's wrap this up tightly. Folks, I'm using only one hand in this video as the other is bandaged. I filmed this a while back after a kitchen accident where I cut my finger tendon. I had to take 2 months off, but this video was when I started filming again. That's why I didn't post for so long, but everything's fine now. Alright, let's grab our pressure cooker. I'm using my white pressure cooker in the kitchen. Now I'll add some water. Remember, you can buy all our white powder kitchen utensils in our store. Link in the description or pinned comment. Now let's add our condensed milk. Cover it and let it pressurize for 30 minutes. Once our can is cool, just take a knife and cut it open. Now folks, let's open it and enjoy this amazing dulce de leche. Craving dulce de leche? Now you've got the solution. Just cook a can of condensed milk and see how incredible it turns out. It's super quick, easy, and delicious. Try it at home. I'm sure everyone will love it. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. This was another quick recipe from White Powder in the Kitchen. Big hugs to you all. See you next time, and thanks for watching.